start of the day. But might eat by the hot dog. I want to eat by the hot dog. I need a haircut. Oh, I look good. I look good. Could it? You just got done working out.
Let me see.
No, I can't see your face.
Okay.
I'm not showing it. You just got done working out though. Chilling. Healthy people. Then I just broke my fast, bro. It's okay. I made that decision. This shit good as fuck. Got some watermelon. About to tear this up with the banana. Fire combination. Bruh, I be eating plant-based lately and like, bruh, my shit don't stink. My fart don't stink. Yeah. You didn't smell nothing, did you?
I can't complain.
You can't complain. I can't either. For real though.
It's loud.
It's loud, yeah, it's loud. It's like, my shit, it's getting up out of there, bro. Like, so my shit don't stink. Shit, I've been feeling good. Like, so you know how I was saying my stomach was hurting, like in the first two vlogs, because I've been transitioning to plant-based. Now it's like, it's smooth sailing. Like, I got energy. I'm rocking, like, I ain't gonna rock with it. I'm getting my body back. Like, nigga, I'm on some cut shit. You feel me? Gotta hit the gym now. Hit the gym, eat good. Yeah, I'm just loving myself, you know. I took care of the inside. I'm still taking care of the inside. Now we just take care of the physical, the outside, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's all a trinity, a holy trinity, you feel me? Vibes. I'm gonna do 4K. What are we dealing with right now? Bruh. We go get a massage today. We get massage today. I wanna get my toes done too. White toes for the hoes. White toes for the bros. Oh, but massages is my thing. I ain't gonna cap. I'm trying to break my neck. This ain't Thriller. Dun dun dun. That's good. That's really good. Thank you. I've been editing videos, y'all, so this is very helpful. And I'll get right back to it. Yeah. That blood getting moved around, yep, that's the shit I like. That's the type of shit that I like, bruh. I don't even stink, bruh. My armpits don't stink. Like, you smell my armpit? You smell it? It don't stink?
Yuck.
You know it don't stink.
Let me.
It does not stink.
Let me.
Don't play me. Smell that shit.
Yeah. Ew.
Bruh, it does not stink. Does it stink for real?
It stinks.
It stink.
It stinks. Like a man stinks, yeah.
Yeah, it don't stink. Right? It don't smell like BO, right? It just don't smell like no fresh deodorant. I smell good, y'all. I smell like fruit for real. I ain't gonna lie. So for a video, don't mind this, it's just a big pile of dookie. I want to keep all my 50 baht. You know, I don't want to spend these because they're blue. It's like the blue hundreds, you know, back in the USA. So I have a song and a video that I want to do. So you got 50 baht?
Yes.
Okay. That's the only one.
Free.
Oh, you just give it to me. I was going to exchange it. Can I give you like...
No. You be my driver. Like 50 baht.
Okay.
For 5 days.
Like, yo, she's so nice, bro. She just keep doing shit like this. Like, it doesn't matter though, cause like I barely pay. Okay. I'm not even about to complain. I guess this is what God do. So Chalet, show me her place. Whoa, this is nice. High state of the art designs. Damn, this is really, really cool, guys. Guys. The pool. Is it a pool? Yeah. Oh my gosh. she's stepping on my place. I ain't gonna cap. Feminine energy on lock. Tatney. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow.
It's a little bit amazing.
Okay. It's okay. We accept you. Yeah. Oh, it's so dirty. I'm kidding. Whoa, this is fire. Damn. Views. Take my shoes off. Put them where she put her shoes. Whoa. Wow. This is nice. Yeah. It's chill. It's a vibe. Got a little view. Okay. Wow. Yeah, at least you can see the ocean. Like, damn. What? How much was this a night?
Not sure. Like 4 nights, I paid 4,700.
4,700 for 4 nights.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I mean, it's just a little bit more than I was paying, but that's not crazy. Like $30 more.
I have pool.
Yeah.
I have gym.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Free gym.
Yeah,
Right
free
there.
gym, but it's like fuel.
Mm-hmm. You drink this?
Yeah, for poop.
To poop. For poop. For poop. See, this is why you go plant-based. The fruit to make you poop. The fruit to make you poop. The fruit to make you, fruit to make you, fruit to make you. Oh, he's got some orange juice. It's fresh. Oh, thank you. Hydration. Vitamin C is key.
Good one.
Fresh?
Yeah, fresh.
I ain't never tasted nothing like this. I never tasted nothing like this. Never tasted nothing fresh like this.
Never.
I'm gonna cry.
It's too much.
Oh my gosh.
You love it? This is Thai breed.
Where?
You're gonna love this piece out because I will show you a lot to show.
Bruh, that's how I'm breaking my fast. That's my peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out means elderly sister. She's young though, but it's a joke. Now I'm really about to break the fast. Come on now. What? The Wonderland. You can do that. So cool. My shit. So it's on my foot. We gotta swim.
Okay. Island boy.
Eat it with the banana? What?
Good, right?
Try to break your fat. Energy. Get rid of fat. Hydration. Potassium, man. American. Stop playing with me. You see the results. I just gotta get in the gym a little bit more, you know. Get a little bit more defined. So I'm putting in the water so it's a good. I got cuts all on my shit, bro. From the rocks. You see on the side too. Limping for real. I be limping and shit, but it's alright though. The water gonna heal me, Mother Gaia. That's why I got my feet in the water. You feel me? That shit burning right now. I ain't gonna lie. This shit hot. Shit hot. This is crazy. I can't even like. All I can do is tweak or just be. I can only do one of the two. I can't even speak. Wow. I'm a wild nigga in the water. This is my home, motherfucker. I can breathe underwater, bitch. Yeah. So he's been hanging out. She's been helping me make some content. You know, maybe this relationship is a good one. Maybe I should hold on to. And maybe we should
cut.
You know. I should have put a ring on it. But nah, sight nah. She's been very helpful. I love her energy. She's enjoying herself. We're just both taking the risk. But we're about to get some food, guys. Like, as you can see, I'm just in my childlike state in the water. No debate. You see the rocks? Just like my dick. Hard. and big. Cut it. Alright, so we back at this spot, man. At bowl. And bro, I just ordered my fucking nutty banana smoothie. That shit hit. She's drinking it all. Cause it's that good. Oh my. It's bye. It's sweet and it has no sugar in it. Wow. I come get these every day. Sure. How much is this? Like what? $3? Yo, this motherfucker just came out. So this is their wellness bowl. Got hummus, cucumber, cabbage, tomato, microgreens, I believe. Right? It's called sunflower sprouts. Pumpkin, sesame seeds on top. We got sweet potato, pumpkin, and then beets, sunflower seeds. Whoa, hold up, that's a lot. Brown rice at the bottom. I'm gonna ask him for 3 falafel balls, cause shit, why not? Shit, I want some more, little more. So y'all know we plant-based, this ain't no meat, bro. Ain't been eating no meat. That's a mushroom roll?
No. Shroom.
A shroom. Shroom hand rolls. Oh shit. Shroom hand rolls, and you know we doing shroom. We doing shroom soon too. So that look good. I need a bite. Just got some falafel. Wow. Shit good, bro. You see all the colors, bro? She turned that up. That shit good as hell. Damn. We a little full, y'all. Just finished that. She finished that. Just finished that. But that shit buzzed me. So we just ordered. They got the vegan sweets. She got a brownie bite. I got a coconut cup. We go see what that shit talking about. And guess what? They only use coconut sugar. So we're in the clear. Sorry, you make me laugh, bro. I'm being serious.
Big eye.
Look at. So I got a coconut cup right there. And that's the brownie she got. You know, the phone gotta eat first, man. The phone gotta eat first. So we about to tear that up and ready and go. Boom. So we got the bill, right? They charge us for water. Crazy. Oh, bottled water. Nutty banana smoothie. That smoothie got her rose, my bowl, and I got 3 extra falafel balls. Got a coconut cup and brownie. All that equals to 590 baht. Let's see how much this costs. And mind you guys, I'm paying for this bill. She always wants to pay. I'm paying. And so that's how much it costs for everything we just ate. That's a lot. That was 2 meals, a smoothie, some water we paid for, and 2 desserts. Buzz down. Bro, she done already paid for this shit. Like, she done paid with her little app. She thinks she's sneaky. Like, she think, bro, I'm over here really trying to do some shit. Like, bro, I'm really trying to put down $600. Bro, I'm throwing down $600 for this food, and she want to go ahead and pay for this shit, man. See, this that shit that get relationships fucked up, man. It's the masculine and feminine. No, I'm just playing. It's 2025, right?
You call me mommy. Call me mommy.
Not that mommy, okay? It's like the mommy you say when you're in like the bed, like mommy.
I know. That's why.
I got you. I got something for you later today. Actually, I got a surprise, and you can't pay. I'm gonna take your phone. I'm gonna take your money. You're gonna be broke joke, and I just provide for you. Provide.
I'm too fast.
Okay, we gonna let you get this one. Yeah, we'll let you get this one. Alright, but I ain't playing with you. Hey, leave it out of the way. We done pulled up, hopped out. What did I say? What did I say? Koh Tao hand massage. You about to get massages, boy. Okay. Gotta take our shoes off. They clean your feet. Do the right view. Oh, go. Okay. That's cold water. Yes, get my feet together, mommy. Why my shit's still hurting from cuts on the shells. We're gonna do an hour-long massage for this. This is about to be magical. I'm right there. So she want me to take my pants off. Like just underwear.
Yeah.
Underwear. Okay.
Yeah.
No one judge me.
Okay.
Oh, put these
okay.
on.
Oh yeah.
I got.
Okay.
Say.
Lay down.
Lay down. Okay. Okay.
Lay down.
We're doing it. I'm laying down. Oh. Oh, this shit smells fresh. Okay, I guess I put my underwear on. She put her pants on. She got it. You feel good? Cover your face. Cover your face. I'll show you a video. Maybe I show her face a little bit. You know, we keep it on the DL. You know, no problem with that. One day. I guess I'm not showing you guys her face. She said one day, so it's not today. But I'm in here, no pants on. They're about to go full body massage for an hour for 300 baht. 300 baht. That's like $10. That's like about 10. Like, yeah, around like $10. Yeah. This shit about to be so good. Like we gonna wake up discombobulated. Fucked up in the best way. Oh yeah, I'm about to enjoy this. So she already touching my calves. The motherfucker's tight. Oh my goodness, bruh. We just finished. And then bitch still naked, bruh. I haven't fell asleep Yeah, I fell asleep. They about to make us some tea. It's a vibe in here. She fucked me up. It's okay. Oh shit, I gotta get up. Okay. Oh my goodness. Our tea. I'm about to tear this shit up, boy. I'm about to chill. Little bug try to get me. Let's do a clink clink. Let's do a clink. What kind of tea is this?
Bell. You know bell?
That's kind of good.
No, it's herbs.
Herbs.
My favorite.
Mm.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Fire.
You fell asleep.
I did. You took a video.
Yeah.
Let me see. So we're about to get some ice cream. What did it say?
Stupid.
Steve, no sugar added. Oh, this is what we like, guys. Which one you get? Coconut. Okay, you get the same one. Like I got the macadamia last time. I was the macadamia, honey macadamia. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's probably the best one. This shit's so fire. Wow.
Yesterday.
We came over here.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, we had to come back to the spot, man. You already know they had the vegetarian bust downs. So she got the soup. What's this called? Hummus with some purple rice. This is at the place we were at the other day. La Crotet, Ritz, vegetarian, and Koh Tao so far. Alright, we got more food coming. Yeah, just some chill shit for me, you know. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this is hitting. Bro, Thailand got very rich foods. Like, the flavor is crazy. Like, this is only like $100, maybe less. I mean, 100 baht. That's like what? Less than $3. This is like a blue tea. Like a blue something tea. This is all some healthy shit. I don't care. Hello food. Hold up. So we got carrot salad, pineapple shake, sugar. Oh my god. That's what I should have got. Here. Okay. We can share it. Healthy goodness. The soup is so good, bro. It's like a creamy. Oh my gosh, they got veggies in it, like, bro. We got more coming. It's right here, fire, bro. You see me? I'm already checking it, bro. This is like. Like, just look at me, bro. King. Big shit. Like, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm feeding my body with goodness. Like, look at me, bro. I'm really just a big nigga. Like, about to get real. That's good, yo. Tear it up. He done gave us a free mango smoothie. Oh my goodness, bro. The fuck? Bro, it's like smooth mango slipping down my throat. Pineapple shake. Bro, she's trying to pay for the food. Thank you, a couple cup. My brother, please stick me shy. Bro, she trying to pay, bro. I had to pay. I was like, she's like, you pay? She like looked at me, gave me a face and shit. Like, bro, she done paid, bro. She done beat me, bro. I done woke up from my sleep doing the massage, so like I wasn't really awake. So she done beat me to pay for the massage. She done paid for the massage. I was gonna pay for it. So I don't know what the fuck going on, bro. Like, I don't know. It's like the swap of the gender roles. Like she really in her masculine. She trying to put me in my feminine. Like, like, do I need to let go? Like, do I just need to let go and flow and just? It don't matter.
This is matter in Thailand.
Okay, well I say mama then, because you treat me like hell no. Mama. Oh my shit, up my mind. After eating all that shit, we gotta go for a walk, gang. But now this is a nice ass street right here. The beach. Straight ahead. You know what I'm saying, bro? They just got fruit, like boom. Fruit stand, got fruit shakes and shit. They got ice cream, like they got everything. You know, everything you do want and what you don't need. They got a little breakfast spot. Come here and get breakfast.
Candy, baby.
He said, it's my shit. He said, nigga, yeah, my shit. He said, this is my establishment. He said, this is my place. He said, you can't be here. He said, I'm fed up with you, boy. Leave him alone. Hi.
If you are new here, I want to welcome you, my man, my women, my people. You're just following along a journey of a young man just having fun while chasing his dream, not chasing it, but I am seeing it through as I go, but doing something that I'd rather do rather than not doing. But that is the sacrifice. It's the risk. So stick around because you're about to witness greatness. Okay? I ain't got to do so much talking. Bye.
I might just ID with my bro Cody. I'm the black Zac Efron baby. Now they say you crazy. No, never my baby. I know you been through dirt. Just like that truck Mercedes. Now say fuck you pay me.